allowed. Ordered C means what? Print the element in C type. 0, 1, 2. F means Fortran. What do you see the difference? Rows are converted to columns. In the organization, your boss says that I need these values in a column format. Could you do this way? Order A, just go in. There are 3 order is allowed in reshaping. So always remember 3 order is allowed. Don't ask why CFA only. So because there's a behavior of the function allowed. The first one, order C, that means print the element in C type indexing. And order F means print the element in Fortran. Fortran means rows columns and columns rows. Okay. And order A, it's arbitrary. So arbitrary means it's exact, similar like C type indexing. Similar like C type indexing. Guys, I hope you're clear. So this is all, similar to transpose. That's right. So guys, are you clear? Are you got this output, everyone? Are you typing or not? Or you left? So just order C, order F, order A. So would you try in home about these things? Array reshape, you can try. I want to introduce another concepts, indexing. Please follow this. Do one thing, listen to the class now, and maybe you can do, I will share it today. Just don't type. When you type, it'll take some more time for me. np.arrange, are we covered now? np.arrange, are we covered or not? Reshape, are we covered? Just matrix. Listen to me. I create a matrix, just matrix. So 10 rows and 10 column between 0 to 100. Pretty clear. I say row equal to 4, column equal to 5. Okay. Now, guys, if you want to work quick, no problem. I just have a little left. I want you to, or else just focus the class, maybe do it later. So matrix equals to, arrange means what? 0 to 100, and reshape equals to 10, 10. You got this matrix. Row equal to 4, column equal to 5. When I call column, I got 5, row, I got 4. Pretty clear up to this? Yes or no? Okay, good. Next, matrix. If I pass row, comma, column in matrix, can you tell me what is output? Anyone? Anyone? Just give me the response, please. Give me the number, Sai. I need the number. 45? 0, first, second, 3. What is row? 4 or 5? 4. And what is column? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 45 or not? Just close it and execute 45. Are you clear? Got the logic, guys? 45. Okay. Now, good job. Excellent. So good job. Just go here and we close it. So now mat 4, 5. I apply identifier. Now I pass the value 4, 5. Now matrix. Can I get entire slicing or not? Will you do this, all those things, guys? Will you do if I share you? One concept I want to explain. Would you try? I will share you all the part. But one main concept I want to get back to you today. The first thing, masking. Very important concepts, mask. This is also called filter. Check this. Mat. We create a matrix before or not? ID of matrix. What is ID? What is ID, guys? Address of the memory locations of mat variable. Execute. Now mat. I'm saying mat less than 50. What I get? Anybody? I'm less than is an operator or not? I will tell you Python operators very soon. So it's check Boolean values. So exactly. So here it's checking, does 0 less than 50 true or false? And then 50 less than 50, true or false? 50 less than 50, invalid. 50 less than equal to 50 is a valid. So here, try to understand the logic. So here, let's do this. Execute. Do you see? True, true, true. Because 0 to 49, you will get true. But how do you recognize? You can't recognize, right? You need a numbers. So you need to apply a filter. What is filter? Just copy the matrix 2 times and pass the list. Just for example, I'll try to add here and just add on this matrix. Now, metric less than 50, execute. Do you see 49? Guys, you got my point? So this is called filter. So 2 time matrix, I just combine. So concepts clear. So that means when you add 2 times matrix, you got the values. Now matrix greater than 50, what happened? It'll get true. If I need values, what I need to do? Can we apply 2 times matrix? Just go here and a little bit. If I try to swipe up, just go and execute. Okay, sorry. This is what I'm in here, matrix greater than 50. But if I say matrix double equal to 50 means what? You get everything false, only one you get true. Do you see anywhere you find true here? This one. Do you see this, guys? See, because I will go and check this one matrix. Do you think, oh, wait, 0 is equal to 50? 1 is equal to 50? No. Do you see this, guys? Everything is not equal to 50, but except this one. Now, let's say matrix. But if I pass, you create a variable matrix less than 50, you got all this one. Now matrix, just matrix greater than 50, you got greater than 50. When you say less than equal to 50, now you get to 50 because I add equal. If I remove equal, then just go and execute. You got 50 is not created. If I say equal to 50, then 50 is appearing. When I say equal to 50, I hope you understood. So guys, are you done one workshop on basic NumPy? Pretty amazing. Pretty amazing, guys. Are you, if you never before work on NumPy, very good. So now in tomorrow, I want to work one practical and I want to combine, just work with little visualizations and just restart and run all sales. Only 50 is equal to 50. Exactly. So we try to create some of amazing part on tomorrow classes, how to create these images, how the images are stored in the array format. That's the extensions of NumPy. So tomorrow is a mind-blowing classes. Don't miss it. Just get back to the classes. Are you clear? So by the time I want everyone to just file and just kernel and run, just clear out with all cells. So now I hope you know, I'm sure you done today a lot of things. If you're non-technical, you love this learning. Stop in middle, please work again. If you don't understand, watch the recording again.